Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp stuck on loading screen error on your Android phone. So if you are into the same situation and looking for fixes, then don't worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. Well, many users have reported that they were stuck on loading screen while accessing WhatsApp on their Android phone. So don't worry, follow the methods discussed here. So the very first method is to restart your WhatsApp. So if you are using WhatsApp in the background, you simply have to close it, and after that check if it's working now. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can move to mobile data or do vice versa, or even you can enable airplane mode, and after that again disable airplane mode and then check if WhatsApp stuck on loading screen error is resolved or not. If not, next is to check if the WhatsApp needs any kind of update. For that, you have to go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for WhatsApp, and now check if any update is available over here. If yes, update your WhatsApp to the latest version, and after that launch the app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to force stop WhatsApp. So for that, click and hold the WhatsApp over here. Now click on app info, click on force stop, and then click on OK. So after force stopping the app, check if the issue is fixed. If not, you should clear the cache of WhatsApp. So for that, you have to go to app info on your settings. After that, click on storage, open WhatsApp, click on storage, and here you have to click on clear cache. So by doing this, after doing this, launch the app and check if it's working. If not, move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your phone OS. So you should also check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, go to settings. After that, go below, click on system update, and here you'll find if any update is available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that, launch the WhatsApp app and check if it's working now. If not, next is to check if your phone storage space is enough available or not. So for that, you have to go to settings, and after that here you have to click on RAM and storage, and here you have to check if there is less storage space or so. If yes, you have to delete some unused apps or data or games or content, and after that try to launch the WhatsApp app and check if the problem is fixed or not. So the final method is to reinstall the app. So for that, you have to go to settings. After that, click on apps, click on app manager. Here you have to search for WhatsApp, open it, click on uninstall, and finally click on OK. So by doing this, your WhatsApp will be removed from your phone. After that, you have to again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for WhatsApp, install it, and then check if the error that you are coming across, that is WhatsApp stuck on loading screen, is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.